Everyone, welcome to my channel. Today in this video I'm going to show you how to turn off your activity status off on Facebook. So let's start the video. First you have to go to your messenger, click messenger. Now click those three lines on top of your left. Now click those settings option here. Now you can see the option activity status. All you have to do is turn off this option until it changes and pause. Now you have to follow another steps. You have to go to your Facebook ID and click those straight lines on top of your right and select those settings option here and scroll down a little bit. You can see the option activity status. Click here and you have to turn it off also and turn off. Now your activity status is turned off. I hope you like this video. If you like this video, consider subscribing to my channel. See you on next video.